Friends, today I am going to tell you a story that carries a very deep life lesson. It is the story of two cats. One day, the two cats found a piece of bread lying on the ground. But here was the problem. The bread was one and the cats were two. They both started fighting. This bread is mine. No, it's mine. Their quarrel grew louder and louder. Just then, a clever monkey was passing by. The monkey thought to himself, "Ah, this is going to be fun." He said to the cats, "Don't fight, my friends. I will divide this bread equally between you." The cats agreed. The monkey broke the bread into two pieces, but one piece turned out bigger. So he took a bite from the bigger piece. Now the other piece looked larger. So he took a bite from that too. Step by step, bite by bite, the monkey kept adjusting the pieces, and in the end, he ate the entire bread. The poor cats were left with nothing. Friends, this is not just a story, it reflects the reality of life and society. Many times, people try to make us fight among themselves, and in that fight, a third person takes away all the benefit. Like the cats, we end up losing everything while someone else enjoys the reward. That's why always act wisely, stay united, and never let anyone take advantage of your conflicts. Remember this: where there is love and unity, no outsider can ever harm us.